Batch supplier credit. Occasionally, you may need to record a credit on a supplier account. For example, if you have returned goods that were damaged or faulty. A batch credit is a quick and easy way to post a purchase credit note transaction against a supplier. Let's look at this now. From the Suppliers module, click Batch Credit. The Batch Supplier Credit window opens. An asterisk next to a column heading indicates data must be entered in the box. From the A/C drop-down, select the required supplier, then click OK. Alternatively, use the search box to help you find the supplier instead. For example, if I enter computer, then click Search. Any supplier records containing the word computer appear here. Once selected, some of the boxes are automatically populated. Note how the text in the window is red. This clearly indicates a credit note will be created. The Attach column enables you to attach relevant documents to the supplier credit. For example, if your supplier sends their credit notes electronically. To attach a document, click the plus sign, then drag and drop the required file here. Alternatively, browse for it here. Multiple attachments can be added, each up to a maximum size of 5 megabytes. If you attach a file in error, to delete it, click the Remove icon. Once you're happy, click OK. The Date box is populated with the current program date. This can be changed if required. Once the date is selected, the same date is populated in the Due On date. This can also be changed if required. In the Credit Number box, enter the supplier credit note number. You have up to 30 alphanumeric characters. In the XREF box, enter any additional reference for the credit note, if required. For example, you could enter the original invoice number. Again, you have up to 30 alphanumeric characters. The N/C box is populated with the default nominal code applied in the supplier record. To change this, click the drop-down and select a different nominal code. The Department box is also populated with the default department applied in the supplier record. To change this, click the drop-down and select a different department. The Project Ref and Cost Code boxes appear only in Sage 50 Accounts Professional. To assign a project the credit note, click each drop-down and select the required option. In the Details box, enter a description for the items returned. Alternatively, enter generic text. For example, returns. You have up to 60 alphanumeric characters. In the Net box, enter the net value of the credit note, then press either the Tab or Enter key. The T/C box is populated with the default tax code applied in the supplier record. This can be changed if required. In this example, the default tax code is T1, 20%. If the goods being returned are exempt from tax, this can be changed to T2, exempt. Please note, if you are not registered for VAT, enter the gross credit amount in the Net box and change the tax code to T9. The VAT box is automatically calculated based on the net amount and tax code selected. If there's a rounding difference between the VAT amount shown in the VAT box and the VAT amount shown on the supplier credit note, this can be amended accordingly. The gross box is automatically calculated based on the net amount and VAT amount. To amend the gross value, either the net, tax code, or VAT boxes must be changed. For example, for a credit note for £420, including VAT, rather than £420 plus VAT, calculate the net and VAT split by entering the gross value in the net box. Then from the toolbar, select Calculate Net, or press the F9 function key. The net, VAT, and gross amounts are then changed accordingly. To save the credit note, click Save. Alternatively, further credit notes can be created within the window. Once you're happy, click Save. To close the Batch Supplier credit window, click Close.